Title: GE goes east. Aerospace giant GE is India's new jet-set buddy. TLDR, it looks like GE Aerospace is trying to make a mark in the global defense market as it's set to manufacture fighter jet engines for India. As the world reacts, we're left wondering, how does this move affect the balance of power in international aviation? Get this, GE Aerospace, the very same mammoth tech corporation your grandpa might have bought stock in, has now decided to rock the international defense industry by jumping on the opportunity to manufacture fighter jet engines for India. Talk about a strategic makeover. But the real question here is, does this mean a significant change in the global defense market landscape? Now, hold your horses. Before you start imagining an army of drones serving you curry and naan, let's get into the nitty-gritty of this deal. You see, this is not just about GE doing some business across the pond, it's about a significant shift in the way global defense contracts are being handled. The relationship between India and the US has always been a fascinating dance of diplomacy. And this, dear readers, is the latest tango step. Let's face it, GE manufacturing fighter jet engines for India is not just about profits, it's also about politics. So, the real question here is this the start of a new era in Indo-US relationships, or just a play to corner the defense market? What's also interesting is the potential ripple effect on the global aviation industry. Like a plot twist in a thrilling Netflix series, GE's move has got the world watching with bated breath. Can we expect more Western companies to step in and expand their business in the East? Or is this a one-off show that will eventually fade away? Only time will tell. Okay, let's not forget about the folks at GE. With this new deal, they're diving into uncharted waters, going from making your kitchen appliances to crafting top-of-the-line fighter jet engines. How's that for a career shift? So, here's a thought, are we witnessing a radical transformation in GE's business model, or is this a diversionary tactic to take the heat off their domestic issues? So, what's the takeaway here? It's safe to say that this whole situation has a lot more layers than an onion in a cooking show. As the dust settles, we're left with a couple of burning questions. What does the future hold for GE? And more importantly, how is this going to affect the world of international defense contracts? Now, it's over to you, turned-up readers. Are we on the verge of a corporate revolution, or is this all just smoke and mirrors to distract us from the real issues? Disclaimer, this article is not intended to provide investment advice. All information herein is factual and does not represent the views or opinions of Turned Up News.